Hello everyone, today's video is difference between plant and animal cell. Both plant and animal cell are eukaryotic cell and they have lots of similarity like presence of a double membranous nucleus, presence of mitochondria, presence of Golgi body, but they also have some differences. So this is the diagram of an animal cell and this is the diagram of a plant cell. The first difference here is presence of a cell wall. The second difference is presence of a large vacuole. The third difference is presence of a chloroplast. The fourth difference is presence of an amyloplast. Let's discuss few more differences between animal and plant cell. The first difference between them is about shape. Animal cell are irregular and round, plant cell are fixed and rectangular. Why plant cell are fixed and rectangular? Because of the presence of a cell wall, and that cell wall is made up of cellulose. The cell wall is absent in case of an animal cell. Then plastids. Plastids are double membranous structure which store pigment and food. They are absent in animal cell. They are present in plant cell. As you can see from the diagram, plastids are of different type. Some of them store pigment, some of them store food. Like amyloplast store food in form of starch and chloroplast store pigments for the process of photosynthesis. Golgi body is present in both an animal cell and plant cell, but in animal cell they are large, in plant cell they are small and known as dactyosome. Cilia and flagella are present in animal cell, but it is absent in plant cell. The nucleus is in center in animal cell and it is peripheral in plant cell. The vacuole is large in case of a plant cell. The vacuole store water, help in removal of waste and provide rigidity to the cell. They are very small in case of animal cell if present. Lysosome is present in animal cell but it is very rare in case of a plant cell. Centriole is present in animal cell but they are absent in higher plant. Plasmodesmata, which help in cell-to-cell connection, present in plant cell but absent in animal cell. Storage granule in case of animal cell store glycogen, but in case of plant cell they store its starch. Mode of nutrition in case of plant cell is autotrophic. They can make their own food by the process of photosynthesis, but in case of animal cell they are heterotrophic. They depend upon other. As far as cell division is concerned, during the division of cytoplasm, in case of animal cell, a furrow appears from the periphery to the center of the cell, but in case of a plant, when cytoplasmic division occurs, a cell plate is formed in the center of the cell. See you in the next video. Thank you.